Okay, so right now I will be unboxing the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Ta-da! In a new box, because this one I've just tested. It's now going back to the store. I have to open it new. So let's just see. I've got this from the Pro shop in Denmark. It's this Danish store. Haven't opened it yet, as you can tell there. Or perhaps can tell, it's very hard to tell actually. But I can tell you that it hasn't been opened. Let's just try and do this now. Was that? I think that was that. Yeah. And it is a super simple layout in this one, in this box, because there you just have the computer itself, and then you have the power supply, an enormous brick on this one. Let's just move it over here to the side. Have a quick look. Sorry for the very shaky footage, but this is the enormous brick size power supply that you got right there. You got some stickers down there, and that's it basically. And then you have the computer right here, and it's packaged in this way. So it got these two buttons, and then I leave 2 leaflets, and then sorry for the quality of this footage, but there we have it. Let's just have a quick look at how we think it looks. It looks brilliant, this one, I must say. And there you have the physical camera on-off switch, some vents, USB-C, more USB-Cs, HDMI cable, power slot, USB-C, USB-A cables, HDMI, Ethernet circuit, a vent, and another USB-C. This is actually the Pro model with the lowest configuration, because I'm not going to use it as my main computer. This is going to be like my, you say, couch editing computer and couch graphics works computer. So it doesn't need to be this top out spec one. It really doesn't. Oh, look at this. This is sweet. This is sort of. And I just love the touchpad. I especially love this keyboard. This keyboard is phenomenal. Look at the height and the way the digits curve in on each digit test. As we're saying, it is just a superb keyboard. Yeah. So let's power the swine up. Nothing happens. Second boot. It's a bit odd power button, this one actually. Sounds a bit dead, to be quite honest. Come on. Has it got no battery inside of it, the charger inside of it at all? Let's just compare with the already opened one. It's a little bit another sound. Yeah, there was a different sound there, I think. But hey, not that much of a difference. So now I put the charger into the machine, and it is obviously charging on that little dot. Perhaps it was completely dead, but let's just try and power it on now. See if, yay! And the keyboard is exactly the same. And now we're in the normal boot sequence. Let's just leave it there.